What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got another key fob battery replacement video for you guys here today. I will make this one very quick. This is a Lincoln key fob here that I have. In the previous videos I've showed you guys the Chevy key fobs, but for Lincolns they're a little bit different. You got to take them apart a little bit more to get access to the batteries. The battery we're going to be using today is a direct replacement for the Lincoln MKC key fob, and it is the CR2450 3V. 3V stands for 3 volt battery here from Duracell. So that's what we're going to be using here today for our replacement. So first thing we have to do is obviously get our key fob. I'm just going to be using a knife here today just to pry off my two side bezels here, but you can use a pocket knife, kitchen knife, flathead screwdriver, whatever you want to use. So first thing we got to do is pop off this side here, your left side or your right side, doesn't matter which side you start with, but you have to take off both of them. So I got one side here. Take off our other side. Be careful not to hit any of your buttons. The first time I did this with my wife's key fob, this one's mine. Two key fobs came with the vehicle that we purchased. So I have one, my wife has one. But the first time I did this, my thumb pressed the alarm button and the car went off outside in the driveway. So just be cautious of that too. All right, there's the second side here. Remember which side goes on which. They will interchange and go on either side, but I still like to keep them on the exact same side that they came off of. The next thing you want to do here is take off your key. So the key insert, press that button there at the bottom, take your key out. Once your key is out, you can now slide this back piece down. So I'm actually going to turn it upside down and slide it up. So as you can see, I just pried up on that. I kind of tried to slide it down first, but it ended up popping just up. The reason why I was trying to slide it down because I didn't want to break these two tabs right here off. So that's why I kind of, it's in here like this. I wanted to slide it down first and then try to pop it up and off so I didn't break these tabs, because you want these left on there so when you go to put it back in, it locks on, it doesn't keep falling off when you go to use it or take it out of your pocket or something like that. All right, so once that backing is off, you guys can now see we have access to our battery right here. What's currently in here is the original Panasonic CR2450 3V, and we have our direct replacement for that from Duracell. So now let's use our knife and pop out this old battery here. I'm going to use this extra slit right there that has no tab in it. So we got a locking tab here, and another indent that does not have a locking tab. So that's where I'm going to stick my knife and pry down and up to pop out this battery, just like that. So remember how your new battery is going to go in, same way your old battery was in there or came out. The numbers were facing towards us, or in your case facing you, so that's exactly how you're going to make sure it ends up when you put your new one in. So taking out our new battery here after a while here. Okay, so now we got our new battery out of the packaging, so we're going to stick it back into the key fob housing just like we took it out, with the letters and numbers facing us. So push that in with both thumbs just like that. Make sure those locking tabs are back up over the edge of the new battery, so that'll let you know that it's pushed back down all the way. We are going to put our backing back on with the logo on it. Remember, our tabs go on the top side. These small tabs here go on the top side here. Snap that back down. Place our key fob back in, just like that. Grab our bezels. These bezels are going to snap back on. 1. Right, and there you go. We have successfully replaced our battery and our key fob. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.